The more you study, the more you learn. The angrier the teacher is, the worse I feel. We use the double comparatives, well, you guessed it, for comparing things. More specifically, when we want to describe two interconnected situations in which a change in either one of them will end up affecting the other. Basically, we are talking about the relation of cause and effect. So usually, these sentences are built from an action and its subsequent reaction. The more you work, the richer you will get. This means that as you work hard, you will end up earning more and more money as a result, and therefore getting rich. You should also note that the double comparative can be used to express a situation not only in the present, but also in the past or in the future. The longer he waited, the more impatient he became. The less I worry, the more relaxed I feel. How to form a sentence using the double comparative? Well, I have created a structure, and I guess if you follow it, you won't have any difficulty using double comparatives. The plus more, less, or a comparative adjective. And the second part the same. The plus more, less, comparative adjective. You already know that there are three different cases to make a comparative adjective. More for long adjectives. For example, more expensive, more interesting, more difficult. ER for short adjectives like cheaper, older, or taller. And sometimes we have irregular comparatives which don't follow these rules, such as good, which in comparative form becomes better, bad, worse, far, farther, or further. For the rest of the sentence, we can use a noun or a noun phrase. The larger the house, the higher the tax. The comparative noun, the comparative noun. The lower the rates, the more the borrowers. The comparative noun, the more noun. Or even we can use a clause. A clause is a group of words that includes at least a subject or a verb. The more you learn, the more you earn. The faster we finish, the sooner we can leave. The less I concentrate, the more I forget. The younger you begin to learn a language, the easier it is. Double comparatives are often shortened in a spoken English. The short form of this structure is used in a sentence ending in better. How do you like your coffee? The stronger, the better. When should I start? The earlier, the better. We use the short form, especially when used as a cliche. The more, the merrier. Means the more people there are, the merrier everyone will be. Do you prefer large family? The more, the merrier. Can I bring a friend? Sure, the more, the merrier. So everyone, as you have understood, double comparative is simple to use, but it is hugely popular structure in the English language. Thank you for your support. See you soon.